Get ready to meet the city commuter that feels like a minicar but moves with the freedom of a scooter. The RockwellIconicPost-Car 3.0 brings a fresh twist to urban travel with its compact three-wheel design and clever blend of comfort, stability, and efficiency. Powered by a 48-volt lithium-ion battery and a smooth 2 kilowatts in wheel motor, this lightweight trike delivers up to 60 kilometers on a single charge. Its top speed of around 45 kilometers per hour makes it perfect for quick daily trips, letting you slip through traffic while keeping your ride calm and controlled. The semi-enclosed cabin shields you from rain and harsh sunlight, and the seatbelt adds an extra layer of security you won't get from a regular bike or scooter. Originally priced between $7,400 and $7,500, it targets riders who want the feel of a car without the size, noise, or hassle. For short commutes, tight streets, and unpredictable weather, the RockwellIconicPost-Car 3.0 steps in as a smart, eco-friendly solution built for modern city life. Imagine a tiny electric ride that feels like a minicar the moment you step inside. That's the Evoque Enza, a fully enclosed mobility scooter built for comfort, control, and everyday convenience. It packs a high-torque 2200W motor that delivers steady power, making city trips feel effortless. With a range of up to 80 to 90 kilometers per charge, it easily handles daily errands, short commutes, and quick neighborhood runs without worry. Its top speed of 32 kilometers per hour keeps things smooth and safe, while the enclosed cabin brings real comfort to the experience. You get power windows, a swivel seat for easy entry, and a crisp 7-inch digital display that gives it a surprisingly car-like vibe, minus the size, weight, and hassle. Built to be compact and weather-ready, the Enza offers a clean, low-maintenance solution for anyone who wants simple mobility without sacrificing comfort. And at around $9,900, it stays within reach for urban riders looking for something practical yet fun. Step into the future with a vehicle that feels part bike, part car, and entirely next-gen. The imageGot 6C takes personal mobility to a bold new level with its fully enclosed three-wheel design, giving you cycling comfort with the safety and performance of a compact electric vehicle. Powered by a 22 kWh battery paired with an innovative pedal assist system, it delivers an impressive 160 kilometers of range and reaches speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. That means it's not just built for daily city trips. It can confidently take on highway commutes too. Inside, the cabin keeps you protected from the weather while offering space for a passenger or cargo. ISOFIX seating, LED lighting, ventilation, AC, and smart storage make the ride practical and comfortable. Its tilting cornering system adds stability during turns, proving this design is driven by engineering, not gimmicks. While still in its early prototype stage with no final price announced, the GOES is expected to roll out under a subscription model. For anyone ready to embrace cleaner, smarter, compact mobility, this machine offers a fascinating glimpse of where tomorrow's transport is headed. Imagine slicing through city traffic with the agility of a bike but the safety of a car. That's exactly what the iMotion Micro EV delivers. This ultra-compact electric vehicle leans up to 35 degrees in every turn, giving you that thrilling motorcycle feel while staying completely stable on its four-wheel chassis. At just 79 centimeters wide and a little over 2.3 meters long, it glides through packed streets where regular cars get stuck. Its electric motor pushes up to 115 kilometers per hour, and the fixed battery offers around 200 kilometers of range, with optional swappable packs adding another 70 kilometers each. Inside, you get tandem seating for 2 adults, complete with seat belts and a foldable rear seat for extra storage, practical, simple, and surprisingly roomy for its size. Imagine a small electric cart that feels more like a personal weatherproof cocoon than a simple ride. That's exactly what the Massimo MVR HVAC delivers: comfort, control, and quiet power in one sleek package. This compact EV runs on a 48-volt, 5 kilowatts motor that pushes out roughly 6.7 horsepower, giving you smooth acceleration up to around 25 miles per hour. It's perfect for cruising through golf courses, rolling across campuses, or gliding around your neighborhood without any noise or fuss. Step inside, and the fully enclosed cabin instantly stands out. With built-in heating and air conditioning, offering up to 2,600 W of cooling and 1,000 W of heating, you stay comfortable whether the sun is blazing or the air is icy. Its range of about 45 miles per charge makes short commutes and daily errands surprisingly effortless. Imagine zipping through city traffic in a vehicle as slim as a scooter but protective like a minicar. Meet the XY1. It's built for people who want speed, safety, and convenience without the bulk of a traditional vehicle. Powered by a 19 kilowatts electric motor, the XY1 launches from 0 to 50 km per hour in just 2.7 seconds and pushes up to around 100 km per hour, giving you more than enough punch for daily urban travel. Its 7.6 kWh battery keeps you moving for roughly 110 km on a single charge and juices back up quickly when you need it. Inside, it surprises you with a roomy 72-liter trunk, a clean 10-inch touchscreen, a reinforced safety cell with a 4-point belt, 3-channel ABS, and full weather protection, everything designed to make city errands feel effortless. Priced between €10,750 and €13,000 depending on the version, the XY1 offers a smart balance of practicality and innovation. Get ready to meet the Acticycle, a futuristic fusion of a bike and a microcar that instantly transforms the way you move through the city. This compact machine is light enough for tight streets yet strong enough to carry 2 adults or a full load of kids and cargo. At just 100 kilograms, it handles like a bike but delivers the practicality of a small car. You can choose from 3 versions: a 250W pedal assist model that cruises up to 25 km per hour, a 750W mid-range option pushing 45 km per hour, and the powerful dual-motor Rondo edition boasting 4000 W for even stronger performance. Each one stays efficient, affordable, and designed for everyday use. With a range of 60 to 80 kilometers on a single battery, the Acticycle easily covers daily commuting needs. Its full windshield and canopy keep you protected in any weather, while the 170-liter trunk, solid suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and tight turning radius make city travel feel smooth and controlled. Imagine riding through the city in a vehicle that blends the ease of a bike with the comfort of a tiny car. That's exactly what the Quaddle delivers. This compact, fully enclosed ride keeps you dry, protected, and moving with effortless power. Its front-mounted 250W Sachs 925 rupees motor kicks in the moment you pedal, pushing your speed up to 25 km per hour with smooth electric assist. One battery takes you around 75 km, and adding a second nearly doubles your range, perfect for daily commuting or long urban trips. Despite weighing only about 95 kilograms, its aluminum frame and fiberglass body can confidently carry up to 200 kilograms of rider and cargo. Comfort comes built in: suspension on all 4 wheels, soft seating, full lighting, mirrors, and a handy rear storage area for groceries or even a small passenger. It's thoughtfully designed for real-world convenience. Starting at around €9,900, it's pricier than an e-bike but far more practical than a car, especially when you consider no insurance, no big parking spots, and 0 weather worries. Quaddle redefines city travel, giving you exercise, efficiency, and freedom all in one compact machine. Meet the City Transformer CT2, the shape-shifting micro-EV that's redefining city driving. Features and benefits. In city mode, it squeezes down to just 1 meter wide, slipping effortlessly through traffic and fitting multiple cars into a single parking spot. Switch to performance mode, and it expands to 1.3 to 1.4 meters for stability at higher speeds. Twin rear electric motors deliver 15 kilowatts bursts, peaking at 22 kilowatts, while a single charge takes you 120 to 180 kilometers at speeds up to 90 kilometers per hour. Context and real-world impact. The CT2 blends EV efficiency with car-like comfort, tackling traffic jams and parking woes without compromise. Its clever design turns urban commuting from a hassle into a seamless, futuristic experience. Strong closing statement. Compact yet powerful, practical yet futuristic, the CT2 isn't just a vehicle, it's the city's new way to move,